In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send offer to buyer on eBay. If you want to encourage interested shoppers to make a purchase, sending a private offer through eBay can be a quick and effective way to do it. This feature is especially helpful when someone has shown interest in one of your listings and eBay marks that item as eligible for offers. I'll walk you through exactly where to go so you can find that option and send your offer with confidence. To begin, go to eBay and make sure you're signed into the seller account you use for your listings. Once you're on the main seller interface, look for the Sell section. Click on Sell to open your seller dashboard. This is the area where eBay organizes your listings, activity, and selling tools. So it's the starting point for many seller actions, including sending offers. After you click Sell, you'll be taken to the section where your listings are managed. Take a moment to look over the available options on the page. You're looking for a category or filter related to offers. Specifically, find the option that's labeled Send Offers, Eligible. Click on that. This section shows listings that currently qualify for sending offers to interested buyers. In other words, eBay has identified shoppers who engaged with your listing in a way that allows you to send them a direct offer. Not every listing will appear here, so if you don't see a particular item, it may simply mean that it's not currently eligible. Once you open the eligible offers section, you can review the listings available for this action and continue with eBay's offer process from there. Make sure you check the listing details carefully before proceeding, especially the item price and the discount you want to provide. A thoughtful offer can help improve your chances of converting interest into a sale without reducing your price more than necessary. One useful tip is to keep an eye on this area regularly if you actively sell on eBay. Eligibility can change as buyers interact with your listings, so checking back often can help you catch new opportunities quickly. It's also a good idea to think strategically about your offer amount so it feels attractive to the buyer while still working for your profit goals. That's all it takes to get to the offer section on eBay. Start by clicking Sell, then open Send Offers, eligible to view the listings that qualify. From there, you'll be ready to send offers to interested buyers and hopefully close more sales.